Welcome guys. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to create advanced prototyping using variables. In this particular video, we're going to be learning how to create like count. So what this means basically is the social media like count activities. So sit back and let's dive in. So in our previous videos, we've learned how to create variable, how to apply variable in our design, how to manage, and so on and so forth. So now in this video, we're moving it a step further to create, beautiful, amazing prototype using variables. So the first video for today is to create a like count as we've seen on the screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a number string variable that we're going to link to this, our prototype. So I'm just going to go to the local variable section here. I'm going to create a new collection and I'm going to name this prototyping. Now I create a new variable, a number variable under this, and I just name it like count, and I'm going to make sure the value still remains 0. So now what I'm now going to do, since I've successfully done that, is I want to just, this is the design I'm using. I need to create them as a component, right? So I created it as a component. I had a variant to it. So now in this variant, I want to make sure that when I click the second variant, when I click on it, it gives me the primary color, right? So let me just link all of this to my already existed. Okay, so now I've done that. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to link the number variable that I just created to this text. I just come to this text section, you can see the variable icon, then I scroll down and I link it to like count. You can see, yeah, it's successfully linked. So now we can now move further to start prototyping, big time. So I go to the prototyping section, I click on the first variant, I link it to the second one, then I want to leave it at distance and on click. When I click on it, it should take me here. So the next thing I want to do is to click on this plus action, right, and select set variable. So in this set variable, I want to set the variable to the variable I created earlier, which is like count. Then also in this to write expression, I want to write the expression to the same like count and with an addition, right, +1. What I just did is that whenever I click on it, I want it to add +1 to this 0 that is here. That's what I just did. Now for this second one, it's pretty much simple. I want to repeat the same action, but I'm not linking it to the first one. I just want to come here, right, you leave it at none and just click on set variable. You repeat the same function, like count, expression to like count, addition, and you enter the you type in the 1, and that's it. So now let's delete this and bring out an instance, and let's see if it's going to give us the results we want. Okay, it's loading. So you can see now we've successfully created the like count prototyping using variable. This is very, very simple. I think it's the simplest thing you can create using variable, right? Stick around. In the next video we're going to move further and create amazing things with variable. Thank you guys.